how to pair an Anker Soundcore speaker. So here I have an Anker Soundcore 2 speaker. I want to press the power button to turn it on. The white light indicates that we have power, and the blue flashing light indicates it is in pairing mode. If you don't see the blue flashing light, press and hold the Bluetooth button to put the speaker into pairing mode. Now it's in pairing mode, you want to find a device. In this case I'll use a mobile phone. Then you want to go into Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on, and it should find the Anker Soundcore 2 here. I'll select it. And now it's connected. You can see the light has now gone to a steady blue on the speaker itself here, and we can use the volume on the side, in this case of our phone, and we can see that little Bluetooth icon here on the volume indicates we are connected. Now if we turn the Bluetooth off, you can see the blue light has disappeared and we're not affecting the speaker itself. Turn it back on and we should reconnect like that. You can see that blue steady light is now back. So that's how to pair an Anker Soundcore speaker. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.